Now that school started for most of your children out there, I would imagine your schedule is filling up rapidly. But there is one item I want to really encourage you to keep on your schedule no matter how much chaos there is, and that is a family time every week. The family time varies based upon, what your family likes to do, but if you have adolescents in your family, I suggest you keep those times brief and with lots of good food. So why do I think this is so important if you have an adolescent? The reason is that their lives have been really thrown into the air between all the hormonal changes going on, the changes in their brain that are happening, changes in their relationships. They're just going through a lot. And that hope of that possibility that there's going to be one little square in their week that will be time with their family is very important for them. Now, I realize they probably won't want to participate. They're going to complain that they even have to be there. But the truth is, they will be there in their heart, even if they're not there in their spirit. It's important for them to have a point of connection with their family that is consistent every week. It will be challenging because they may really push back against you and the whole idea. And even if they just have to sit there and be difficult and grumble, as long as you remain happy and positive and you make it a great experience for everybody else and not a time of disciplining your adolescent, then it will be a great memory for your whole entire family. And it's going to give some stability to a very rocky time in your adolescent's life. So remember, keep it short, include food, stay positive, and these weekly family times are going to be part of the glue that holds your family together. This is Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.